Hello, my name is Immaculate. I got a story to share with you all. So last Wednesday, I went to Memorial Hospital to drop off my daughter who was supposed to get I mean, not flu shot, her COVID shot, the Moderna shot. So she booked everything online. And once we got there, I've learned that walking was welcomed. So I stood up myself. I'm like, okay, since she had it while she was resting for those 15 minutes required for like after the shot, I'm like, well, since we're already here, why am I I'm the mom and that's my daughter. Why not just get my shot too? So I went closer to talk to the lady. She's like, yeah, actually, you can get it. There's no problem whatsoever. She just pulled her laptop. She started asking me like your name, your address, blah 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 blah. And then she get to a point of, do you have any previous story of acting bad after getting a shot? I'm like, that I do. And she was like, what? I'm like, H1N1 almost killed me. She was like, really? Where was that? I was in Atlanta, Georgia. I had it from MR Clinic. It almost killed me. So she started asking me questions about the reaction. I'm like, my eyes bulged out. My nose was, everything was hurting. The pain was really excruciating. Like my teeth were feeling as if they were like 3 pounds each. My ears were ringing. I couldn't walk. I was just laying down for almost 2 weeks. I couldn't do a thing. The whole body was aching so bad. She just looked at me. She was like, yeah, this is a big reason why you couldn't get even this shot. You were a bad candidate, so I'm not gonna resist you. I'm not gonna give it to you. And then she looked at me. She's like, okay, come with me. Let's go talk to a team of the nurse because the whole team were there. Like was there once after my daughter taking her shot. They are like, no, we have to keep her here for after 15 minutes. If she got no reaction, then she can walk away. It's not like you just got a shot and then you walk away. No, you have to sit at this for 15 minutes. So I went with her and she told the story to the nurse. They're like, girl, you're a bad candidate. No, we're sorry, but we can't get it to you. And then at the end, they said, maybe you should talk to your physician. Maybe they can do some test on you. After that, then you're going to decide to come. We're going to stay be here. We're always going to be here. But you have to figure out your doctor. For us, like, for today, you're such a bad candidate. We can't even give you this Medioma. If you Medioma shot, if you react that bad on H1N1, this one can be worse. So we're not gonna give it to you. You're not just welcome. We can give you the COVID shot. And they wished me well, and they said, anyway, if you talk to a doctor, she said that it's for your physician. She said that it's okay for you to get it. You can always come back. We're gonna stay here. I'm like, I'm not dumb. You already told me that. There, no. And then they asked me, it wasn't only H1N1. I'm like, actually, not all that. Even the regular flu shot, the one we got before winter time, whenever I get it, all winter long, I will be so sick, sneezing, migraines, weird headache, runny nose, all these symptoms like we're getting that we're trying to get protected from. I will develop that 10 times. But whenever I don't get no shots, my life will be fine. The last winter, even though in pandemic, I didn't even have one time, not even runny nose or cough or headache or even migraine. I believe everything just got. So for me, it's like it's better for me to live like this. Like let me get my lemon and bay leaves and thyme and all these things. But I'm not like I can't get no shot. So they were just laughing. I'm like, yeah, but I'll see my physician, discuss with her, and whatever thing people wanna say, you see me coming back here for a shot. Definitely, I'm not scared of that. You saw that on me. I was about to give it a shot, but it's just like my body can't take it, my body can't get it. And I was making fun of it. You denied me a vaccine. You're the one who kicked me out. You denied me that vaccine. I wish I had it. And I looked at my daughter. I'm like, see now you got yours, and mommy can't, unfortunately. Yeah, it was a fun experience, and the nurses were so nice, and they were just looking at me. Yeah, she did a work in there. She can't have it. I'm like, yeah, cause that H1N1. Every time I think about it, I shake. I feel like the goosebump. It was that bad. And H1, no, no, no. I was living just minutes away from CDC, so MR clinic was right there. That's where I took it at. But for me, when to leave the clinic to come home, it was kind of dizzy. I felt like this type of dizziness like I never felt. And 2 days after that, then that was kind of my death. I almost passed away, thanks to the N1H1. That's why they denied me the shot, like the COVID shot. I had to find a way just to stay away since the COVID. Actually, I don't even expose myself. I don't go in greetings, big groups. Only last week I went for a friend who came from Africa. He lost his dad. He went there for 3 days and came back the fourth. So I just stopped by, I think, for an hour. That was my first gathering ever since last February. I never exposed myself. So I'll do whatever it takes to wash my hands, to stay safe and to check the news. Yeah, I know, like I do respect everything the government said. So whatever thing they're gonna say later on, if there's something better, or even after a year, 2 years, or whatever, whenever my body will be ready, I'm not gonna deny it. Like I'll just go and get it if they want. If my doctor said I'm cleared, but up like for now, as I'm telling you, I've been denied a COVID vaccine. So if you like me, your body doesn't take vaccine. Because I got a friend, his name is Thierry. He's like me. He can't like whatever I take flu shot, he will be like so sick for the rest of the winter, like bad. I'm about to call him and give him the news, like, oh, yo, before going there, you better check if the physician calls. He might end up having same answers as me. So that's why. Though my denial was positive denial, it's not negative. But for the title, I will just put I was denied a COVID vaccine. Yeah, I love you so much, you guys. Have a wonderful day. And yeah, talk to you later and see you later. Bye bye.